Hi, I'm Elke Keeley from Urban U, and we're helping busy people get stuff done around the house. Even when you are maintaining the house, there's always forgotten cleaning jobs, things like your kettle, your iron, and your washing machine. But if you follow these quick and easy tips, we'll have those done in no time. When was the last time you washed your washing machine? It's just like any other appliance, it gets grimy and dirty, and this can build up over the years. So here's a quick tip on how to wash your washing machine. Set your washing machine to the highest and longest level and enter to hot. Then, as it's filling up, take your bleach and pour 4 cups of bleach into the water until it's completely full. Let the cycle run its course, and when it's all finished, let's do that again, but this time with vinegar. Set it to hot. As it's warming up, when it's finished, you're going to have a nice smell of freshness and your washing machine pipes have been cleaned crystal clear. The lime scale that builds up inside your kettle is caused by heavy alkaline water. And the harder you're scrubbing, the more damage you're doing to your kettle. The right mix of mild acids will help dissolve that lime scale very easily. Fill your kettle up halfway with water. Take your household vinegar, do equal parts. Set your kettle to boil, or you can just wait 15-20 minutes. When finished, just rinse it out 4 times. And now you're ready for your next cuppa. Have you ever ironed a white shirt only to find a big black steam mark appears? Well, that's because the surface of an iron can build up grime and gunk, especially when you're using the steam feature. And that's when baking soda and vinegar are going to become your next best friend. Simply take a bowl of household vinegar and with a paper towel, immerse it in so it's fully drenched. Take it out, wring out the excess, lay it down flat, and with a hot iron, let's iron for 5 minutes. Next, take some baking soda on the same piece of paper, evenly sprinkle out, and with your iron, which is cold and turned off, iron over, and what you'll find is the abrasedness of the baking soda will remove any excess scum.